What's up, guys? So as you can see, got this box in front of me, the new DB Drive M2750 monoblock Class D amp. This is made by DB Drive, of course. This is their Euphoria line, so it's kind of like their higher end sound quality type deals. I already have an unboxing for the EWX12, which is back there behind the camera. So if you guys want to check that out, I'll leave a little eye up there. Originally I was going to get the 2250. When I ordered it, my guy I go through, he's a distributor for him. His distributor or whatever said that they did not have the 2250 in stock, so they just went ahead and sent me the 2750 for the same price as I paid, so that's really nice. The guy also hooked me up on the price because originally when I was going to get this amp, I was going to get this one. He had this one just sitting around because he was going to use it for his own car, but he decided to do something else, so I pretty much just waited like a month, and then he didn't have it anymore, so I was just going to have to settle for the 2250. But then, like I said, got this one upgraded for free. I paid $240 for it. He said he usually sells the 2750 for $310, so I think I got a really good deal. They just sent him the other one for free, so pretty much just got a free upgrade. Pretty much $70 off. So in the Class D line, there are 4 different amps. There's the 750, the 1500, the 2250, and then this is the top tier, is the 2750. I'll leave all those things up on the screen. You guys can pause it so you guys can look at the specs. They also do run 2 4-channel amps that are Class AB, which I'll leave those up here too. But like I said, I'm just going to be powering the one EWX12, so I'm going to be wiring it to 2 ohms. Then I'll just have to set the gains accordingly so I can get it down to about 1000 RMS, because that's what the sub is rated at. So I do plan on doing a review of all this stuff in like a month or month and a half when I've had it in the car for a while and I've got a good taste of how good the sub sounds and how good the amp is. And I would try to find somebody that has an amp dyno so I can see how much watts this actually puts out. It's rated at 2750 at 1 ohm, of course. But let's get into unboxing it. So the first thing I want to say about this box is it's pretty heavy, honestly, for being a small little amp. It's very compact and it's pretty heavy. So of course got the specs and everything on the back, which you can't really see. You got a little notice right here: external fuse value recommendation. It says for the 2750 you're gonna want to run 300 amps of fusing. Got your little owner manual. Comes with a pretty cool sticker. Get that out of there. This is Killer Car Audio. DB Drive was made in 1999. That's when they were established. So this amp does come with a bass knob, so that's something I wanted. I was going to get a different amp, but just didn't have a bass knob. And I like to have control of everything from up in the cabin and not have to worry about anything. Got your Allen wrenches and stuff, some screws, mounting screws. Take out the little head for the bass knob. It's just a little plastic one, as you can see. It says Euphoria on it. You know, it's just a bass knob, it's nothing special. It does have the power button on it though, so that's nice. So just looking at this amp, for the power that it claims to put out, it's definitely a super compact amp, which is what I wanted because this is going to be mounted in my car and it's rather small and limited space, so I wanted to have something small and powerful. Like I said, I only plan on running this at about 1000 RMS. So definitely a nice looking amp. It's kind of like a brushed aluminum, and it's black on the front. Of course, you can see right here that lights up blue, I assume, like on the front of the package. Got your heat sinks on the side. Of course, I'll give you guys some close-up shots and everything, but you got your 0 gauge power and ground. Then you got your, of course, your 1 terminal. Looks pretty nice. Definitely feels solid. On this side, you got all of your crossover controls and everything. So you got your bass boost, your low pass filter, your subsonic filter, and then your phase shift, and then your gain is over here on its own. Then your remote goes right here for your bass knob. Like I said, I'll give you guys some close-ups of this stuff so you can actually see it, because I know it's kind of hard to see on the video. So your RCA connections right here, these are Tiffany grade RCA connectors, so it's supposed to be, you know, like audiophile type quality to give you a good transfer. On the bottom you just got DV drive right there. It's kind of like embossed in the metal, so it's pretty cool. I think it just adds a little bit of class to it. Well guys, I would show you guys the guts, but I don't really want to avoid the warranty yet. But if I do get some demand before I put it in, I will show you guys the guts of the amp. So it is a super small amp. This is my hand. I got a 8.4 inch tablet right here. Just use it for like a size comparison. So pretty much like 1 1/4 of those. So it's not very big of a chassis. Which is definitely what I wanted because of the limited amount of space I have. So hopefully this puts out a good amount of power. I know DB Drive are known for putting out pretty powerful stuff and pretty good stuff, but there's not really much on these Euphoria lines because, like I said, it's a brand new line that they're running. So definitely going to be the first BMW with this kind of system in it. But like I said, I'll give you guys a little review once I have like a good month or a month and a half to play with it. So let's go ahead and go over the specs of this amp. 2750 at 1 ohm at 0.04 THD is rated at 2750, and it's rated at 1375 at 2 ohms, which is what I'm going to be running it at, 2 ohms. So I'll have to just set the gains according to what the sub can handle. So the 2750 is slightly bigger than the other ones. It's 13 inches long by 7 inches wide by 2.28 inches in height. So like I said, it's a fairly small amp. But I'm gonna stop rambling. So in about a month and a half, when I get this all hooked up and everything, I'll be sure to put a amp review up and everything so you guys can know how I think about the amp. This is my first, I guess, bigger system that I'm building. I mean, I've had different systems before, but nothing really crazy. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you guys did, give it a thumbs up. Like I said, check out the sub unboxing, because that's going to be running this. I just have to get a wiring kit, and then should be all good to go after I build the box and everything in the trunk. So thanks for watching, guys, and see you guys in the next video.